Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to learn how we carry our babies on our backs in an African home. Yes, have you seen that? So yes, that is what we are going to do today. And this is our model for today. Meet Hajia. That's my baby. Okay, she'll be modeling for us today. Okay, let's get into the video. All right, you need an African print cloth. Okay, you need like 2 years of it. Okay, and you can use any material as long as its length is long as both of your hands. Okay, yes, so that is it, and it's wide enough too. So we are going to be using this white material first. I'm going to be showing you two ways of tying it, 2 ways of carrying our babies on our back in Africa. Okay, so the first I'm going to be using this white cloth. Of course, you need to put your baby on your side. Okay, then use your hand to cross over so that you throw your baby at the back, just like you are seeing here, without your baby falling. Have you seen that? Yes, so you put your baby on your back just like the way you've seen this, and then use the cloth. Make sure you hold enough of the cloth, okay, and then place it on your baby's back. Okay, and then another part of it to be on your armpit to be able to secure the baby. Okay, so you have to fetch a huge amount of the cloth so that it will support your baby's neck. Okay, so you place one part of the end on your other armpit and another part overlapping the other one around your armpit. Okay, so this is how you will fold it over to secure it, and then do the same to the edge, okay, to the last end of the cloth. This is how you are going to be doing. So yep guys, after flipping it over, you raise your baby and adjust it. Don't make it too tight. Okay, then turn it like this, just like you are seeing, overlap it, and then just like you are making a knot, and then put it in there just like you are seeing it, guys. Yes, okay, so this is just a simple way of carrying our babies or tying or backing babies in Africa. So that is the first method. I'm going to show you how to do the second method in a bit. Okay, so yes, we are using the African prints for the second method. Yes guys, the same process but just a little bit of difference. We love to carry our babies with African prints. Either you are in Ghana, Nigeria, name it, any of the African countries. Okay, so yes guys, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and like this video as well. After subscribing, click on the bell notification. Our model is here again. Okay, so the same way you put your baby on your side, the lateral side, and then flip your hand over to place her at your back, just like you are seeing, and then use the cloth and hold a huge amount of the cloth and then place it over her neck. Okay, that huge amount of the cloth at her neck will support her neck. It helps strengthen the baby's neck. Okay, you know, so when you give birth to your baby, the baby's neck is flexible, so the cloth there helps to strengthen the baby's neck. Okay, so here we are not going to flipping it over on the armpit, but rather we are going to tie a knot. Have you seen? Just like I am doing, we're going to tie a knot. That is very simple, and do the same way to the other edge. Okay, so make sure that it's not too tight so that your baby can breathe. Your baby will be comfortable at the back there. Tie a knot and tie another one to secure your baby on your back. If you have no carrier, this is very simple. Just have a cloth as an African woman, guys. So yes, we are done carrying our baby. Okay, so yes, this can make your baby sleep comfortably. Within 5 minutes she is asleep. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was entertaining and helpful enough. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. She says bye.